Hi, welcome to Homemade Lovely's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making a super simple pennant banner made with pre-cut pennants and stick-on letters. Now all of these supplies I found on Amazon, so I will be linking to them down below so that you can find them easily too. First of all, these pennants actually come with baker's twine all ready to hang them up when you're ready, if you choose to do that. So the first thing you need to do is unwind the baker's twine from the stack of pennant banners. Now, these are perforated. I've already taken a few out to make it easier, but really the easiest thing for these is to bend them back and forth before you tear them out. Okay, we're gonna put love on ours for Valentine's Day. So you just peel off the stickers and place them on here, onto your pennants. And basically I'm just lining up the top. Whoops. I'm just lining up the top with the top a little bit down and as best in the center as I can for on my pennants. Again, just peel off the letter and stick. And you can have a pennant banner really, really fast. So see, we have love right there. Take your baker's twine and make it as long as you'd like for your pennant. So I'm gonna do this, and then add a little extra over here. Cut. Twist the end a little bit just so that you can get it through the holes easier. You can either do it so that the string comes across the front like this, or you can put it so that it goes in behind. So choose however you like it best. I think because my letters come up so far up at the top, well, I kind of like it at the front actually. So we're gonna put it through from the back through to the front and then back like this for the letters. And then you can take the rest and move on to the next letter, and again, back through to the front to have it all in the same. I think the striped baker's twine just gives a little extra touch of farmhouse style pretty. And then retwist the ends again as needed so that hopefully it doesn't separate going through the holes. Like so. You can leave a little bit of space in between depending on where you want to hang this, but you need to feed the rest of it through. So you just have your little bit at the end. And then slide it along. And slide it along so that you can see that you're getting sort of even space in there. Just like so. And then, again, twist if it needs to be twisted, if it's getting a little frayed on the ends. And we're doing back to front. Easy peasy. We're doing back to front. And then, of course, you can even out your string and your thread. But that's what our little love banner looks like for, in this case, for Valentine's Day, which is coming up. Or because it's not pink or it's not super, it doesn't say Happy Valentine's Day or anything like that, you could actually just leave it up all the time.